I'm going to be replacing the cooler for this computer because it's like going up and down consistently. So I'm going to be replacing it with the brand new one. I'll show you on the screen now. It's a nice thermal one, right? Good quality, and I've used it like hundreds of different times. So it's a perfect replacement for that. So it's been disconnected. Now I'm going to flatten it out.
Yeah, good.
How's the...
It's pretty good.
Yeah, so it's gonna take out the fans now. Very freaking simple. Comes out. Same thing here. Fans off. Time to get the cooler out. So there's 4 screws right down here. And you want to do it in a star pattern, just like a car. The whole goddamn thing is spinning, which is not good. You also don't want to twist these coolers, right? You don't want to boom boom. You want to just pull it straight up after it's been disengaged, obviously. You do any of that and it's gonna come out with the CPU, which is something you do not want. Absolutely never.
Hold up. Yep.
As you can see, this is very stuck. I can see all the screws have been disengaged right about now. So you want to gingerly. Just a little bit of twisting motion. So this is coming apart now. Just keep at it, man. You do not want that. I tell you that much. You do not want that.
That's not what you want.
So, as you can see, you're gonna twist this now, right? Just like that. Oh my god, that's fucking. Alright, there you go. So, twist it off after it came out of the socket, right? And obviously you don't want it to come out of the socket either way. But so now we have to clean it up. Let's see here. It's kind of clean, still not that clean yet, right?
Yeah.
But I am gonna put it back in just for safekeeping. Shake it a little bit. No worries. Boom. Goes right in. No problem issues at all. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a tissue, dip it in alcohol, right? Nice and clean. Look at that, perfectly clean. See that? Now garbage everything I built so far. Now we take about 2 more Q-tips right here. Just make sure go around the perimeter here. I like the AM4 sockets, pretty nice. Really good. So there you go. Nice and clean. So it is perfectly nice and clean there, as you can see. I'm gonna take this off though, because I gotta take off the coolers, just to make sure it doesn't fall off, right? Perfectly clean, very nice. So I'm gonna keep it at a safe place, right in front of right on top of the mouse pad, and then I'm gonna take off the cooler here. There you go. That's off. And that's off as well. The back plate is gone. I'm gonna put that here. Say that again. So I needed this mounting plate, the AM4, the AM4 mounting plate that comes with it. I got a bunch of these, so this is the one. I lost mine, but I bought some brand new ones. Nice and tight. So now we put the CPU back on. Make sure it's nice and tight, just squeeze it around. Or, you know, do that around. Time for the fan to come out. Like the heat sink. Nice little fan here. 4 heat pipes. Should be good enough, you know. Brand new. Very nice fan. I'm gonna put it without peeling this off, even if it says peel off before you use it. So properly clean that. So you clean that. Next, peel off the sticker. Clean that as well. Make sure that it's nice and clean. Should be clean from the factory though, but you know, still want to be extra safe. And the next one is dry. Okay, so now we apply the thermal paste. So I use this JLJ, like a, you know, typical stupid one. I have the option of using the Thermalright, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use this one because I used it quite a while. It's cheap, it's nice, and doesn't really impact performance too much. So we're going to go into a cross pattern right here. Just a couple of little drops. That's more than enough. And now we first put the header on here. Boom. Yeah, baby. On an angle first, just so it, you know, goes. sure it, just like that, it doesn't move. Then we start screwing. As you can see, she ain't going nowhere. And our project is done. There you go. She's in. Nice and beautiful.